Real Talk with Raf, alam mo ba, sa mundo may dalawang klase ng pain. The pain that hurts at the pain that alters. Yung first one, the pain that hurts, ito yung bigla ang heartbreak. Failure, rejection, loss, masakit, bitter, nakakapagod. Pero kung titignan mo, madalas dumadaan lang. Hindi kanya binabago sa deep level. Yung second one, the pain that alters, ito yung pain na nagmo-mold sa'yo, nagpapalakas sa'yo, nagpapa-improve sa character mo, mindset mo at life decisions mo. Yung challenges na hindi mo maiwasan pero pinipili mong harapin at aralin. Kaya huwag kang matakot sa discomfort o struggle. Yung pain na yan, shape ng future mo. Kung may failure, learn. Kung may heartbreak, reflect. Kung may struggle, adapt. Yung lahat ng yan, alter you into someone stronger. Kaya tandaan, there are two kinds of pain in this world. The pain that hurts at the pain that alters. Embrace the one that changes you for the better. Comment altered kung handa kang i-embrace ang pain for growth at self-improvement. Real Talk with Raf, walang filter. Maraming salamat po.